Alright, it's taken me a while to record this video. This week we are discussing equivalency theory and how that might affect how teaching institutions handle the process of developing distance learning programs. The equivalency theory, as stated by Simonson, Amaldino, Albright, and Zvacek, is found in Chapter 2 of Teaching and Learning at Distance. Simonson et al. Describe equivalency as not being identical, but developing learning events of equal value that will ultimately meet the same learning objectives in each method of delivery. As we developed our technology integrated learning environment tile and our hybrid online learning design hold course, we had this in mind. We created checklists for the faculty that they would go through. They would list the learning activities they would do in a traditional course, then match them up with the learning outcomes for that course. We would then help them modify each activity for online use where it was appropriate and help them to create new learning activities designed specifically for online use. What we found in doing this is several professors spent large portions of the courses, of their traditional courses, using learning activities that were not aligned with the course objectives. Also, several years ago, I was a student in one of the graduate programs at PLNU. You could retake a class as an elective, so I could take, there was several classes I took more than once, actually 3 of them. The 3 elective courses I needed, I did just that. What I found were 3 completely different classes. If it were not for the course number and the title of the course, I would not have known it was the same course. Only one of the required books was the same between any of the 2 classes. I brought this up as we conducted our tile and hold courses, and that changed. Now the program I was in currently has learning activities for each course that align with the course objectives. The same serious issue of course equivalency and learning activities was identified years back in a course that was taught by 2 separate professors. This course was part of the credentialing programs and was supposed to prepare students for their credential test. Once students began failing the test and complaining about it, it became very clear what professors' learning activities were aligned with the learning outcomes and whose was not. I feel we did a great amount of work changing the culture of our university by helping professors create learning activities that align with the course learning objectives in both traditional and hybrid courses. The things that we're learning in this course are reaffirming what I've done in the past to help professors, and it's also giving me new ideas of helping develop learning activities that are aligned with their course objectives.